Hello, I am Aarshabh from class 7A. Today I am going to show you how to make Matar Poha. To make Matar Poha, we need boiled Matar, chopped onion and in a kadari I will add some clarified butter.
Some more, you can add some more. Yes. Now, after this,
I will add
what will you add?
cumin.
Some more cumin. Then yes.
Turmeric.
Yes.
Salt. Black pepper.
And
Onion.
add karo. Take a wooden spatula and mix it properly. Okay, what else will you add now?
Add Matar.
Okay, finally what will you add?
Add soap poha.
Soap poha. Add karo. Shabash. Now mix it.
Taste nice.
Nice.
Nice. To taste nice, I will add some lemon juice.
Yes, that much should be enough. Now mix it.
Now my Matar Poha is ready.
Why we not garnished it?
I don't like coriander.
So you don't want to garnish?
So I don't want to garnish the coriander.
Okay, fine. Your poha is ready.